This is my review of the Outboard motor hoist harness, and we have had this for about 5 years. We had it on our previous outboards that were smaller, and it worked just fine. Our current outboard is a Yamaha 9.9 four-stroke, and it weighs about 87 to 90 pounds, and it works great with it. It makes it very easy to move the outboard from our sailboat onto our dinghy. We keep it on the back of our sailboat while we are doing passages, and then we put it on the dinghy when we get to a place and we want to use the dinghy to go to shore. It is sturdy. The straps are very durable webbing and with a reinforced buckle, and they're adjustable. So like I said, on the smaller dinghy, the smaller engine that we had, which was a Tohatsu 6, it fit on that, and it also fits on this one as well. We've had it on our outboard for 5 years, and it's still in great shape. It hasn't gotten worn out by being used and being in the sun and weather constantly. It makes moving an outboard from your boat to your dinghy and back to your boat very easy and quick. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes for Stephen to put the outboard from the sailboat onto the dinghy, and 6 minutes to put it back on. He can do it completely by himself using this hoist harness.
And this is just my, in case this breaks kind of thing, which is possible, plastic. So this is my insurance policy. Just in case.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.